Google Pixel 8a leaks a new real-life image showing off vibrant blue and green colors. Google's upcoming Pixel 8a just can't stop leaking, it seems. Following a couple of purported live images showing it with all 4 colors a few days ago, today a new leak arrives to show us real-life image and hands-on video showing off vibrant blue and green colors. Pixel 8a come with black, white, blue, and mint. It is expected to debut during the Google I/O 2024 event in May 14th. The images were posted to Twitter user, and the video also were posted to Twitter user. As 9 to 5 Google points out, a leaked Pixel 8a retail box out of Vietnam in late January revealed the model number G6GPR. We already know a fair bit about the Pixel 8a. The first Pixel 8a leak appeared in September when we were still getting around to the Pixel 8 leaks. As per past leaks, the Pixel 8a will feature a 6.1-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 8a's screen will have 1400 nits of peak HDR brightness. It will be powered by the Tensor G3 chipset just like the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. It will come with 8GB of RAM, and should be available in a 256GB storage, and boots Android 14. We also expect to see Google's same 7-year OS upgrade promise. It managed 1,218 single-core score and a 3,175 multi-core performance. Pixel 8a may get same 64-megapixel main sensor as the Pixel 7a, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel selfie camera. It's powered by 4,500 mAh battery with 27W charging support. Finally, the Pixel 8a will launch in May, priced around $500 to $550. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.